rosas. Ay, shit, ang ganda nito. Brand new by Zara. Brand new by Zara. Medium on tag, pero carry hanggang... Ay, medium lang talaga to. Kasi side zipper lang to, mga madam. Okay, hanggang size 28-29, mga madam. 28-29, brand new, Zara. Ganda. Code ako social, 780. Small up to medium po, button down. Code is social for 780 pesos. Code ng social. DL Cotton, Madam Ren. Yours na, Madam Ren. Brand new with tag ni Cotton. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, Miss Ren. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Miss Ren. 780. Double lock na yun, okay, next. Oh my God! Imay nyo. Branded by Asus. Brand new with tag. Brand new by Asus, mga madam. Ha? I think this one is XL. US size 10, hindi. Large XL. Large XL, mga madam, napakaganda. Mag-tube na lang kayo dito. Sobrang syala. Okay, kaya lang large XL, mga madam. Ayan na. Okay, this one is, grabe, code ako blue. Blue 680 blue. Blue 680, code is blue. Okay, next. This one, another on the go. O, jabs. Alam mo na yan. Side zipper. Small med pa puff. Pwede siya maging bustier. Side zipper, mahal. Hindi ko maano yung color. Para siyang brown na may pagka-gray. Side zipper to, mahal ha. Small, medium. Okay, code ako dito. Vintage 680. Vintage 680 pesos. Code is vintage. Okay, next. Ito, button down, on the go. Best fit medium, mga bakla, ha? Best fit medium, on the go, 680. Code ako OTG. Cotton yan. Code is OTG, mga madam. And then, this one. Ano yun? Ay, ito. DL Social. Mahal yours na to. 880. Madam Jabs. Brand new ni Zara to. Aray. Okay, 880 yours na to, Jobs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yung suot ko, mga madam, na may na. This one is branded by Cotton. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Bustier. Okay, tapos adjustable yung kanyang, ayan ha. Branded by Cotton on, mga madam. Medium on tag. Carry up to large. Best fit large, actually. Full smack yung likod. 680 lang to, mga madam. Code is pink. 680, code ng pink, medium large, branded by Cotton On, ha? Yung suot ko ay namay na. Uy, ang ganda nitong Zara, mga madam. Zara, size large. Nako, maganda to, mga medium large, ha? Lagyan nyo na lang ng pin. Ano yan ha? Green color. Super duper nice. Size large on tag ni Zara. Garter yung dulo. Okay. Size large po ito ha. Code ako dito ng long. Branded by Zara. Code is long. 680 pesos. Size large to ni Zara. Ganda nito. Okay. Code is long for 680 pesos. Code long. Ay, Jobs. Ang ganda nito. Size is small. Okay, size small, branded by David Jones. Okay, best fit small lang to, mga madam. Code is Josa. Josa, 680, size is small. Code is Josa. Code tayo dyan ng Josa. Code is Josa. Okay, next, branded by New Look. Small med. Hala, full smack, mga madam. Small, medium, branded by New Look. Full smack po, cotton ng tela. Code ako dito ng summer. Code summer, 680, small, medium. Excuse me. Code ng summer. Okay, code is summer. Long, may small na pwedeng pang office. Sige, Jobs. Small na pwede pang office. Long, JV, yours na. JV, ano yun? Saan ba yun doon? Ito. 680, JV, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. DL Josa, Jobs, yours na si Josa. 780, double lock na yun. Okay, Jobs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 yours na to. Okay, next one is teka lang. Napakaganda, mga madam. Brand new with tag. Size is size large. Adjustable strap. Sage green color na silk. Adjustable strap, mga madam ha. Brand new by Here Comes the Sun. Size US 12 po. Zipper back. Code ako ng Sun. 680 size large. Code is Sun for 680 pesos. Code is Sun. Code ng Sun, mga madam. Ay, Jobs, ito. Linen black pang office. Small. Okay. Pero kasya to sa small semi-mid. Pero best fit small talaga. Branded by Doty. Linen na black, mga madam. Code is black. 680 lang. Black, 680 pesos. Meron ako ito, ha. Ay! Medium large. Super pretty nito, mga madam. Size large pala, sorry. Okay. Linen sports girl. Size large. Boho style, straight parang on the go style or dull cut, sorry. Size 12 on tag. Code ako 12,680. 12,680. Bena, parang hindi kaya yung XL. Ay, yung sanang XL, ha? Parang hindi siya kaya. Hanggang size 32 lang talaga to. Yes. Ang gaganda ng medium large, be. Kunin mo to! Razel, brand new by Zara. Katag lang to, be. Wait. Okay, wait lang, ha. Super nice nito, bakla. Linen siya. Well, for me, it's super nice. Small mid. Branded by Zara. Look at that. Okay, this one is small on tag. Small mid, ha. Side zipper. Ay, hindi. Yeah, side zipper. Branded by Zara. Small medium po. Tapos may ganito siya. Small on tag ni Zara. Code po ako dito ng nude. Nude 680. Code is nude for